How to delete multiple messages on Messenger on Android or iPhone. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can delete multiple messages on Messenger. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Messenger application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. After that, open up the conversation where you would like to delete the messages. Here, unfortunately, Messenger doesn't have a built-in feature to delete multiple messages or conversation at once. However, there are some workarounds depending upon your needs. First of all, you can delete the messages one by one. For that, you only need to press and hold on the messages you want to delete. For example, I have this message right here. Tap and hold on it. From here, tap on more and then tap on unsend. Here you can simply select the first one, that is unsend for everyone, and with that this message is now deleted for both the account. So this was the way to delete the message one by one. Now if you like to delete the entire conversation, you can go back and find the conversation, press and hold on the conversation, and from there tap and delete. And with that, all your conversation or all your messages in the conversation will get deleted. So this is the only way to delete the messages on Messenger. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.